Hi, thank you for joining me. My name's Jose, and I have a question for you. Do you ever feel overwhelmed or too stressed to function? If so, what do you do to help you relax? Do you count till 10? Do you take a deep breath? Or what do you like to do? I'm going to show you guys a really cute activity that can help you manage your stress. It's called a little squishy stress ball. So it's going to look something like this. Isn't she cute? They're really easy and fun to make, but it can get a little messy. So make sure you clean after yourself. Would you guys like for me to show you how to make it? Yes? Follow me and I'll give you all the instructions you need.
Here we have all the materials we're going to be using to make our squishy stress ball. Of course, we're going to need a balloon and some flour. And here I have a little funnel I made out of a water bottle. I'm going to attach them together. And this is going to help me, so it will be easier for me to put the flour inside the balloon. I'm going to use a little spoon. And this is going to take a while, so let's go ahead and fast forward it. Just make sure you put enough flour inside your balloon so that it's nice and firm. Once you're done adding the flour, you are going to remove the funnel and tie a knot on it. And this is where the fun begins. We're going to start decorating our balloon. I'm going to add some cute googly eyes to give it some personality. And I'm going to use some pipe cleaners to give it some hair. If you like, you can also use some stickers for decoration. Make sure not to put too much glue, otherwise it's going to take a long time for the eyes to dry. And you do want them to be completely dry before you start playing with it. So let's go ahead and cut the pipe cleaners in half so we can start adding our hair. You could also use some yarn if you don't have pipe cleaners, but I like to use the pipe cleaners simply because it's so easy to apply. All you have to do is twist them on. And I gave her a lot of hair so she looks really nice and cute. A few more pieces. Okay, so you see how easy it is. All we have to do is twist it on, do the last piece, and then when I'm done adding the pipe cleaners, I'm gonna go ahead and curl them to make her hair look really nice. So remember to give time for the eyes to dry. And once they are dry, you can start playing with your squishy stress ball. I really hope you guys enjoy making it. Hope you have fun. You can give it a name if you like. And I hope it helps you whenever you're feeling a little bit stressed or perhaps even a little upset.
Well, there you have it, guys. Now you have your very own squishy stress ball. Make sure you clean after yourself and please be sure to share your pictures with us. Thank you and goodbye.